Good morning, good afternoon and good evening, viewers and subscribers tuned into Yardpreetv. We have today our special guest, rising dancehall artist and music group, FullyBad and the Bad Gang. Wagwan Bad Gang. First of all, how did you get the name FullyBad?
Well, if you tell you the truth, you know, my general, I work for the name, you see me? You don't know, I really flash ones there.
When him dead, him gyal a get fucked. Plus all me cock she a stuck. Drive from us like I have on a truck in a trail she a stuck. She run out of luck. So me say FullyBad up the place locked down. Anyway me go me no left the pretty magnum. Plus the shot them tall like your long tongue. So me release them like what we know.
You don't know, Popcorn usually keep that show there and we circulate and dominate it, you see me? And from there say street, I say, yo, you know a FullyBad if you name you. So from there so I start running the name FullyBad. Bad God, you know I want bad. I just said the door.
Up top. Where in Jamaica are you originally from, FullyBad?
Well, can't tell you. One country grew up in a the town. I'm a no stove, not the ghetto. Yellow gun, me grow run, but the music me love, so me never touch none. Mates, I like a joint, so me can't be no clown. Serious and go for my own. Cause me never have no rigid nice water. When me thirsty, I find water. But me don't worry, I'll take you out of them hard life, yeah man.
Alright. So what was it like for you as a youth growing up in the ghetto, FullyBad?
Well, to tell you the truth in a general, I love the garrison, you see me? You don't know I eat Bill, you see? I eat make us so strong, you know, so we have to give thanks in a garrison, you see me I say? Yeah man, so a whole heap of things we experience, you know, you see me? A whole heap of something we see, you see it? You don't know I eat influence if you do music, so you get what me I say?
Yes sir.
Yeah man, so we have to pick up the whole ghetto, because we see, I saw the ghetto run, and I we say right some the ghetto. You get what me I say? Straight. Yeah man.
Who inspired you to become an artist?
The ghetto inspire me, you know, my general. Big man thing, you know, things I'm seeing in a garrison, you know, you see it. You don't know, it really inspire me to do the music. We have to sing about it so the world can see what I go on in a garrison, though. Yeah man, so.
Sure.
Yeah, that's right there.
Many fans would like to know, how was your experience the first time you performed at Unruly Clash?
The rifle went tall like stone wall. And boy life like phone call. Me no fling stone on a stone wall. They get great, throw a ball next year, shoot up them. Hold on up him. Collect everything with the Glock hole. Head back skin out like bitch on a back road. Fire.
It was a great one, you know. You see me, cause you don't know. A long time we watch other big artists on TV and we say, yo, John, no, it's a great look, you see me. If you touch them level, they touch, you see it. So I saw we push out now and go circle the Unruly Clash. You see me? The first time I show about, man, I killed about 13 artists. Sorry. You get what I say? You hear me?
Yeah.
I killed about 13 artists, you see it? A history around this stuff. I never know I could have do that still, you see me? Because I'm a first time. You see it? But we just have to believe in anything and just do it. You see me?
Yeah.
So that's where it's forward from.
Straight.
Yeah, straight.
People know you as an artist that is lyrically dangerous. But recently, you have been releasing songs of a different concept. Songs like Hard Life.
Hard life, we don't want to see no more. Dirty bad mind, see the thing I work, and I try like the door.
So the Ghetto Run.
Yeah.
So the ghetto run, just try to survive. So the ghetto run, I say run, poverty, they about to still have fun. I saw the ghetto run, I say run, dance all I keep every girl gonna turn.
And the rising hit, you would know.
Cause me never have no fridge with no ice water. When me thirsty I pipe water. But mommy don't worry, man I go make the money and take you out of them hard life, yeah. Because man tired fi see I water fall on your cheeks, that make me voice harder. Out in the street and I promote my song, them we are gonna make it a time of the master. If me not tell you, you wouldn't know.
Yeah.
The fans would like to know what brought about this sudden change in your new songs.
Well, cause watch you now. I stay saying I really do the badness to get my name out there, you see. The fans them don't know that, you know, but we plan that, you see me? So them a cuss and them a say, oh, FullyBad now sing the nice song. Him now no girl song. You see me? I be a gun tune alone him can sing. So we just transform on them and show them the versatility. You get what me I say? Yeah man, so I just say them a general. I joke now and everything.
Up top.
Yeah man.
You recently did a collaboration with Destiny Sparta that I'm sure is creating waves in the UK as we speak right now.
Right now.
The boss. Can't diss the boss. The boss.
Me a make a bad drive with a girl inna the whip. Psycho doll fully sick inna the chunk, she a itch. A serve a piece man, them no shoot or miss. Me knife inna your ribs and them me run out the clip.
Zane, tell us what it was like working with Destiny Sparta on this record.
Well, you don't know she had the psycho and me had the bad god, you know, you see me? So, it's a good look to see the bad and the psycho link up and do something like that. And right now it dominate the whole place already and yesterday it released. You get what me I say? So I love that. We got the whole Sparta and we say bad gang, you see me? Yeah man, I want dog.
Bad.
Fully.
What are some of the advantages and disadvantages you faced in the music industry thus far?
Well, to show you a thing, my general, we're young in our business, you know, and we just start out, you know. And as a young youth we rise right now, I get the most fights in our business, you know. You get what me I say? But what? We're strong, you see me, because the ghetto bill, you see me, so we can hold out, you see me? So as so comes to that, we have to do it and we now ease up, you get what me I say? So, we just go and fight, man, because them can't stop putting in on my general. You see it? Yeah, I just say that.
Alright. Tell us about your upcoming group, the Bad Gang.
Yeah, don't know enough. The artist brother them in the higher door in the Tristan, Bossett, Swift. You see me, you don't know we have Spandis who selector. You see me? Any Vice, you don't know I'm the comedian. You get what me I say? I just one family, you know, you see. When you say bad gang, you know, and I kill people, you know, and music we are doing, you know. You see me? Every man in a gang I do something, you know, you see me? Yeah man, and I something progressive we are doing. You see? So, a whole heap of people don't like to show that thing, you know. You see me? But what? We are going to do the right thing. Bad gang, you say. What you say? Bad gang, straight. Yeah man.
So in your opinion, Zane, what do you think will separate the Bad Gang from every other music group in the industry right now?
But we are coming with different. You see me, when I run into no man, when even run down the link and them thing that we are all own. You get what me I say? We are doing own and a difference we are bring to your table. You see me? Bad gang. Not joke now in our thing. You hear me I say?
Yeah, man.
Straight.
Up top. Alright. Final question. What advice do you have to give to the youths that are inspired by you to become an artist as well as the Bad Gang?
Well, I can tell the youth them, you know, just believe in yourself, you know. You see me? I remember say hard work put in, blessings come out, you know. You get what me I say? So now if you shoot out and go for one, you want. You see me? Because we never die waste time, you know. You get what me I say? Because remember we say hard life, you know, want to see no more. We born come see me and daddy poor. So we can't waste no time. Out there we say, you see me? So now if you shoot out for one, you want. You get what me I say? Yeah.